How to access STEAM Room resources. In this video, I will show you how to access the new STEAM Room resources. So in your Clever account, if you go onto the district applications, when you first log into Clever, it takes you to your teacher page. But if you go to the middle link and go to the district applications, you will see something that looks like this. If you're in the middle high school, you will not see the CCEC links, but if you're at the elementary school, you will see those links. If you scroll all the way down, you will all see STEAM Room resources. The first link here is for the STEAM Room tech training. To use the STEAM Room and all the technology within the STEAM Room, you will need to sign up for the tech training. There is a lot of technology within this room, and it's all organized in specific ways. So we do require the training so that you are familiar with how to use the resources and where everything is located. So you will just click on this STEAM Tech Training, and it will take you to a Google form that you will just fill out. You will choose the technology you wish to be trained on. You can choose more than one. You will choose the day of the week you are available to do the training and your time of your planning. I can also meet you after school if you would like. With this, I will communicate with you via email, and you might select Monday, but you're not available every Monday. So we'll just communicate back and forth to see when you are most available. But filling out this form will just let me know that you are interested in the technology training. This next link is how you actually check out the room. So you will not see both of these. This is just the entire district Clever page. So it has every application and link on here. But if you're at the elementary school, you will just see the elementary school one. If you are at the middle high school, you will just see the middle high school one. So with this, you will just simply click on the link again, and you will fill out the form that says you've been to the training, you're ready to actually check out the room, and you will just select the day that you wish to bring your class to the room. This is not an all-day thing. So let's say you are in fourth grade and you only want to use the room for an hour at 11 o'clock. You can check out the room, and when we communicate back and forth, you will just say what time exactly that you want it. Or if you're a middle school or high school teacher, you don't want to go for all your classes. You can go for all your classes, but if you only want to go with your first period, we can communicate that. This is just simply to say that you want the room on the specific day that you want the room. Filling out this form will register you for the room, and you will also, after you fill out the form, you will be able to get the key on that specific day or get the room password. If you don't fill out this form on the day that you want it, it might not be registered for you, and you won't get access to that room via a key or via a code. This next link is STEAM Room resources. Within this link, you will simply see the technology that is found within the room. So we have VR headsets, we have 3D printers, we have 3D pens. We also have makerspace supplies, so just simply paper, scissors, markers, that kind of stuff to do your STEAM challenges and just create within the classroom. We also have a laser cutter and a scanner. Those are not available at this time. We are still in the process of getting some safety measures in place for those two things. So when you go to each one of the technology, they have there's a little explanation as to what the technology is, and some of them say how to use it in the classroom. Links to the software that you need for the technology, and some of them have creative ideas or lessons that you can do with the technology, different links as well, and like how-tos. So each one of these have a little bit of information, and with your technology training, I will go through all of this, but you're welcome to view it and see what is available to you already. The next links are just resources to use with the specific technology. So like your class VRs, your virtual reality headsets, this is the software that you will use with it. You cannot access it until you meet with me, I will give you the rights to access it. That's the same with the Eduverse. That's for the virtual reality. Your Tinkercad is the software used with 3D printing. This you can already access, and the Chatco 3D printing is actually how you submit the prints. So some of the students have already started using this already. So this is your STEAM room resources. You will not have access to all of this yet. Some of them, if you are watching this video and you don't see all this, I might not have opened it up to you yet. But this STEAM room technology training, you should already have access to. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at mstephan@chatco.org. Thank you. Have a great day.